Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to apply exit and entry animations to elements in Canva. This is a great way to make designs more dynamic, especially for presentations, videos, and social media content. Now let's get started. On your Canva dashboard, to create exit and entry animations for elements in Canva, all we need to do first is insert an element. For example, let's choose a shape element here. Just look for the elements and then select the text element so we can have examples. If you want to add images, you can include some images here. For example, we have three types of elements: shape, text, and media. To add exit or entry animations, just click the elements, then click on Animate and choose the pop option. As you can see, there are enter and exit options. Before that, you can also adjust the speed if you have a pro or business plan. Once you're done, the animation will be set. You can use the vote here. You can also apply this to text. You can make it have a pop effect. As you can see, there will be a pop animation. This can also be done for images. Just click Edit, then go to Animate. Click the pop option to add the animation, both entry and exit, to your Canva projects. And that's how we apply exit and entry animations to elements in Canva. With this simple method, we can make our designs more interactive and visually appealing.